If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that. I would have played it just how you wanted to play it. You didn't yet see my worth, so you tried to play.
Do y'all see this? So hey cousins, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little spicy for y'all. I have a show and tell and an install featuring Unice hair. Y'all, I think I'm a believer. When it comes to these V-part units, I think I'm finally a believer. Okay, so the unit that I have on is Unice V-part Kinky Straight, and I have it in 20 inches, and I'm just gonna shut up and let you guys watch the footage. If you guys are interested in checking out Unice hair or purchasing this unit, then I'll have all that information linked down below in the description box. So my thing with these V-part wigs, for me, I feel like it looks way more natural when you leave your natural hair out. But something that I found unique about this is the mesh netting. Like you get like a little bit of a faux part going in the back. And had I didn't have my hair already ready to be left out, I would try to see how it looks without any hair left out. Because this one, you can get away with it. So you do get 5 combs in the front, 1 comb on each side, and a comb in the back. I'm not going to use this middle part. I'm just going to use the 2 combs right here. I may use the side combs. Let's see. It's after 5 and I'm drinking Starbucks. I'm gonna be up all night. I'm gonna use the hot comb. Ooh, and just like that. Y'all see that? Yes. Now, I'm definitely gonna run some type of heat through this hair because I just blowed it out yesterday. So this is how the hair looks blowed out. That's how my hair is blending in it right now. And my hair might be a little bit shiny because it probably need to be washed by now. But we gonna try to see what we can do and make it do what it do. You know, that's what we do around here. And I do got this hot comb up kind of high. So, oh, this made me want to press all my hair out. Whew. Yes, do you see? Okay. No, for real, okay. Listen. I think I just been made a believer. If you have been thinking about getting a V-part, definitely get the texture that mimics your hair the most. This right here is my swag. No, for real though. This one right here, sis, sir, cousins, y'all. I'm off this coffee, so if I'm getting a little extra, that means I'm hyper off this coffee, and this hair has me feeling all kinds of ways. Okay, I don't even know if I want to flat iron it. I kind of want to curl it, but it looks so good. Can you guys see this? Like, sis, it's giving. That little mesh insert, Unice hair knew what they was doing, okay? They understood the assignment. Like, do y'all see that? For some reason, I kind of want to put like a little powder or concealer or something just to make my part more pronounced. I think. Yeah, I'm watching this crime show and I'm disgusted. Fun fact, I love like suspense. But that's how she's looking. I just added my NARS foundation. And do y'all see what I'm like, what I was trying to do right there? It just makes the part look more clean. I tried that off camera with my last few part wig and I was like, okay, she's giving. So one thing I would suggest, if you want to rock a U-part wig or a V-part wig, excuse me, they're almost the same, except V-parts you could leave less hair out, and you're supposed to be able to not have to use any of your hair for leave out. But you know, if it looks natural to you like that, then you roll. I like them better with some leave out. So I would suggest, you see this right here, because you know, if you want to be cute and push your hair back and stuff, I would suggest for you to have like an anchor braid going like this, and then one on the side with some leave out in the front. That way you could push your hair back. You can even pull it up in a ponytail. Dang, I should have did that. You could pull your hair up. Like, you can do more styles if you leave some leave out, and it just looks like you have a sew in, literally like a 60-second sew in. It's most definitely the texture for me. So let me give y'all a little texture shot. And this is 18 inches, I believe. I think this is 18 inches. So this is all the hair to the front, giving everything a freaking sew in would give. And then now here's all the hair to the back, and it does have like a flow to it. And I did shampoo and deep condition his hair before installing it, and it didn't really have a scent like that to it. So that's all the hair to the back. And I'm 5'2.5". So if it's not 18 inches, I'll annotate that on the screen, but I'm pretty sure this is 18 inches. So if you guys have been thugging with me for a while, then y'all know how I feel and how I act when I am genuinely excited about a unit. Y'all seen that footage. There's no denying. I'm sold, okay? So if you guys are sold too, or if you just want to check out Unice hair, browse around and see what they have to offer, I will have all that information in the description box. Make sure you check out this wig. If you're looking for something that's not a frontal, you want something that you can throw on and go, something that you can rock in between frontal installs. If you don't wear frontals, you just want a quick weave, then Unice has you covered, okay? I wanted to note that this is how the hair looks once it's flat ironed. Go ahead and check out the description box and comment, like this video, and let me know how y'all feel about this wig. Did I serve a look? Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's me for me. It's me for me.